don't give me no heart attack, my nigga. Bruh, I don't do leaks. Nah.
They didn't hear it.
My heart is racing right now.
They didn't hear it, I swear.
Oh my fucking God. You gonna stress me out, my nigga. Bruh. Nah, they did hear a little bit. It was just tiny still, but. Bruh. I was like, wait, I'm trying to click off the X. Oh my fucking God, nah.
I wouldn't have played the whole thing.
Bruh, you making my heart race right now. I'm trying to fucking shout so they don't hear the music. That's not the song, by the way. That's one of them, but that's one of my favorites, so I don't even want to play with that one. Jeez. See, the people say you set me up. That's some fucked up shit, bruh.
Okay.
Nah. You know what? I'm gonna get off this live because preview some new songs. I will give you some previews on live soon. I'm gonna do it for real. I should, actually. I'll preview some music for you guys, but just not that one. Not that one. But alright, guys. I'm gonna get to work. Later. See y'all soon.